Memphis Belle, you're probably the perfect dog to do the review of this no rinse foam. Welcome to the review, you guys. Today we're going to be doing a review of this no rinse foam for dogs. Also comes with this nice little comb. This product was sent to us in return for our honest review. So I think I'm going to try to get a little bit of this part of Memphis clean because she needs a bath. We haven't done it yet. And I thought, well, before we do that, let's test this out. So this is no rinse. Basically, you shake this up. Some foam's going to come out. I'll show you that in just a second. And then you can use this to kind of brush it through their fur. So it's got two different sides. It's got the little finer tooth comb, and then it's got the thicker comb. So depending on the thickness of your dog's fur. Oh, yeah, I thought so. I thought so. You're like, Mom, yes, Mom, keep doing it. Oh, right here. Oh, yeah, is that the good stuff? Like, wait, what is it? It's just a comb. I know you like combs though. So we're gonna try this on you and see what you think. So basically I'm doing this one-handed, guys. We're gonna pump this into my hand. I'll show that in just a second. So you want about 2 to 3 pumps. So that is what 3 pumps of the soap looks like. And oh my goodness, I wish you guys had smell-o-vision because this smells beautiful. I don't know how to explain what beautiful smells like, but that's what this smells like. So we're just gonna take and rub it in a little bit here. Huskies are always so interesting when you're bathing them because all the water just sucks right into them. So now it's pretty much all off my hand. What do you think, Miss Memphis? She goes, I don't care what you're doing. You can kind of see, you can see it's a little bit shiny here. And now we're just going to continuously like brush it. I know. She's like, and see you later, bye. I'm not done with you, ma'am. I'm not done with you yet. You came back. That was very nice of you. So yeah, anyway, like I said, you kind of just brush it. You can actually see. I don't know if you guys can tell the difference in camera. I know. You don't like it when I brush close to your tail. If I get real close, you can kind of see the difference between here and here. This is a shadow, but it did actually make her fur whiter in this spot. It's still a little bit damp, and like I said, you kind of just gotta brush it through. Memphis isn't a fan of this part. If I go real slow, maybe. What do you think? Real slow is okay? It's like, okay, real slow is pretty good. It smells really good. You can see it's not soapy. It didn't leave like a bunch of soapy residue. As I touch it, even though it's wet, it's not sticky. So I like that. And it smells absolutely amazing. Once it's nice and dry, you're probably gonna feel even more soft than you already do. What do you think? She's like, okay. So the reality is my favorite thing to use a no rinse foam is for paws. When we go camping with the dogs, their feet get so dirty. So to be able to take just a couple of pumps of this and like massage it into their paws, that for me is my favorite thing to use with this. This one's kind of unique because it comes with this comb. So with the thicker fur, you can also get in and out of the thicker fur. So I guess if you were laying in the sand or the mud or the dirt while we were camping, this would come in extra handy to kind of get it off of you there. But my favorite use for this is paws, cleaning paws, as will always be my favorite use for no rinse foam. This one works really good. It smells really good. And you didn't mind it too much, did you? She's like, Mom, I'm over it. I know, it's better than a spray though, right? Memphis doesn't like it when the containers go kss. So the foam definitely works better for that. Do you approve of this? She goes, yeah, I guess I'm a little cleaner. I guess I approve.